Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add products to Shopify from Printify. All you have to do is head over to Shopify admin page at admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in a new tab, head over to apps.shopify.com and in the search bar, just search for Printify. Then press enter. On the list of apps, download or install Printify. Just click on install. Grant access permissions by clicking on install. So from here, all you have to do is log into your Printify account, or if you still don't have one, you can easily sign up for one, or you can also continue with your Google account. So from here, you will be asked what brings you to Printify. So just choose the best description fit for you. So once you're logged in, we can start by creating product. Just click on this. Just choose a category, say clothing and apparel, for example. So from here, we can choose this unisex heavy blend crewneck sweatshirt. So from here, they can give you a tour on how to customize your product by clicking on Start Tour, but you can also skip the tour. You also have an option here to download design template. Then once done, just click on Save Product. So from here, all you have to do is publish. So the product is currently unpublished and all you have to do is click to publish. Just click on confirm. As you can see, the product that we created on Printify has been added to our Shopify products page. You can customize this by clicking on the product. Then once done, just click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.